Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 maths. Click on view all lessons and find a chapter that is problem solving and estimation. And here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today from the chapter problem solving and estimation. The lesson names are estimate to solve word problems with multi-steps, guess and check word problems, distance direction to the starting point. These are the lessons we are going to cover today. Got it? Okay, before starting the lesson, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and examples as well. Got it? Let's start with the first topic, that is estimate to solve word problems. Let me write down the lesson name. Estimate to solve word problems. Okay, let's start with the lesson. Okay, here I am on grade 6 maths. The chapter name is um, problem solving and estimation. And here is the lesson we're going to start with, estimate to solve word problems. Got it? Basically, you have to estimate the values, then you have to either add or subtract. They are the word problems. You have to understand the statement. Got it? Let's start with the test. Let me read the first question. Just listen to me carefully. Okay, penguins at the zoo are fed 2 times a day. A colony of penguins ate a total of 912 fishes yesterday. During their morning feed, they ate 423 fish. After a few hours of swimming, they were hungry again and ready for their afternoon feeding. About how many fish did the colony of penguins eat in their afternoon feeding? Choose the better estimate. Got it? You have 912 and 400. Uh, Penguins ate 912 fish yesterday and 423 fish in the morning. Now you have to select how many fish did the colony of penguins eat in their afternoon feed. You have to calculate the fish they ate in the afternoon feed. So yesterday they ate 912. So subtract 912 out of 423. Got it? It would be 912 minus 423. You have to subtract them. You have to, because you are given choose the better estimate, so you have to calculate the estimated value. Got it? So it would be 912 minus 400. So you have to round off 912 to the nearest 100. Got it? One is less than 5 or greater than 5? One is less than 5. That means you have to round on the same 100. 100 digit is 9. Just replace the other digits with a 0. Got it? Okay, then you have to estimate 423. So right after 100 digit is 4. Right after the 100 digit, you have 2. 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 2 is less than 5. That means you have to round on the same 100. It would be 4 and replace the other two digits with a 0. So it would be 900 subtract 400. So when you subtract them, it would be 500. Got it? So that means the estimated value is 500. Here you have, just to understand the estimation, you have already done with estimation in the previous grades. what you have to do, like for these one, you have to estimate them to the nearest 100. So the 100 digit for here is 9. Just look at the digit right after the 100. You have 1. Compare this digit to 5. If it is less than 1, you have to round on the same 100. Like here you have 9, so you have to round off to the 900. If the number is greater than 1, you have to round to the next 100. Like for the 9, the next one is then 10. You have to round it to the 1000. Got it? In case when, if it is, for example, 962. So 6 is greater than 5. You have to round off, add 1 to 9. 9 plus 1 is 10, and replace the other two digits would be 0. It would be rounded off to 1000. Got it? Okay. If you are not good with the estimation, go to the previous grades, find the topic estimation, do the practice questions, and let's start with this lesson then. Got it? Okay. During an average summer day, people in people in Bilwile use 7,040 kilowatts of electricity from water and 6,448 kilowatts from coal. In total, about how many kilowatts of electricity does the city use on average summer day? You have to calculate the total amount of electricity they used. That means you have to add them. It would be 7040 and 6448. 7040 and 6448. You have to add them. Got it? Before you have to estimate the answers. So you have to first round off the numbers to the nearest hundred thousands. So it would be 7 is at the thousands position, and the digit that is right after the thousand is a 0. 0 is less than 5. Got it? That means you have to round off to the same thousand. Just write the thousand digit and replace the other digits with the 0. Got it? Okay, just round off this number. 6 is at the thousands position, and right after the thousands position you have 4. 4 is less than 5. Got it? Not greater. That means you have to round on the same digit. It would be 6 and replace all the other digits with the 0. Got it? So 6 plus 7 equals 13. So it would be 13,000. Got it now? That's how you estimate the numbers. You have to round off the numbers and then you have to add them. So the correct option is 13,000. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? Okay, the next one is Ali is writing a report on the fishing industry. He found that last year, one company caught a combined total of 99,058 fish in Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. If the company caught 13,472 in the Pacific Ocean, what about how many fish did they catch in Atlantic Ocean? Got it? Okay, so that 99,058 is the collectively is a total amount of fishes in Atlantic and Pacific. Got it? You are given with the Pacific one. You have to find the Atlantic one. What you have to do? You have to subtract the Pacific one out of the total one because that is the total in the Atlantic and Pacific. Got it? So subtract 13,472 out of 99,058. Got it? Let me just write down the numbers. It would be 99,058 subtract 13,472. Okay, we have to round off the numbers to the nearest 10,000. Got it? So here's the 9. The digit that is right after the 9 is again 9. 9 is greater than 5. Got it? You have to round to the nearest 10,000. That means the next 10,000, add 1 to 10, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So just replace this 9 with 10 and replace the all other digits with zeros. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now you have to round off 13,472. Okay, the 10,000 digit is 1. The digit right after the 10,000 is 5. 3 is less than 5. Got it? That means you have to round on the same digit. It would be on the same 10,000. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Just subtract them. It would be 99,000, 99, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So the correct option is 99. 99. Let me just subtract them using calculator. It would be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 1, 2, 3. 4. Yes, it would be 90 thousands. Got it? Not the one I have written. It would be the 90 thousands. Got it? So the correct option is the second one, 90,000. The first option is the correct one. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? If you need any help with the topic estimation, go to the previous grades, find your topic on the you can search the channel. You have the topic, I think, already with the grade 5 or grade 4 in the channel. Do the practice questions as many as you can, and then start with the lesson we just completed. Or either you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. They will help you with the lesson. Got it? Okay, the next one is word problems with multiple steps or extra or missing information. Let's start with the practice questions. Okay, let me just go to the lesson. Here is the lesson. Word problem with multiple steps or extra or missing information. Let's start with the test. Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, Felix walked 2 blocks from his house to the bus stop. He rode he rode the bus 6 blocks to the post office. Later he came home the same way. How many blocks did how many blocks did Felix travel in all? Okay. So 2 blocks from his house to bus stop. Got it. Then he rode the bus for blocks to post office, and later he came back the same way. How many total blocks did Felix travel in all? Got it. So from 2 blocks from home to bus stop, then from bus stop post office 6 blocks, and he also came back the same way, like from here to here, and then from here to here. So you have to calculate all the total value. It would be 2 plus 6 8, and 8 plus 8 is 16. That means the total blocks he traveled is 16 blocks. Got it? Please leave the chat box option. If you have any problem, write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. Got it? Okay, the next one is Kendra has 10 more orange pencils and 10 yellow pencils and 8 more yellow pencils than the green pencils. The green pencils are 2 centimeters shorter than the orange pencils and yellow pencils. How many orange, yellow, and green pencils does Kendra have in all? Okay, 10 orange pencils, 10 more orange pencils than the yellow pencils, and 8 more yellow pencils than the green pencils. Mm, you are not given with any number, any pencil with the numbers. Like they just said they have 10 more than yellow and 8 more yellow than the green, but you are not given how many green pencils are. Got it? So that means the information is not enough to solve the problem. You have, if you are given with one of the pencil with the numbers, like for example, if they said they have the green pencils for 10 green pencils, you can find then the yellow pencils and then the orange pencils too. Got it? Because yellow pencils are 8 more yellow pencils than the green pencils, so you can, because so that means the given information is not enough to solve this problem. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. Hi. Okay, Nick bought 17 large marbles and 13 bags of small marbles. There are 9 marbles in each bag. Each bag was 9 centimeter tall. How many marbles did Nick buy at in all? Got it? So 17 large marbles and 13 bags of small marbles, and there are 9 marbles in each bag. Got it? So first let's just count how many total bags. Got it? By adding small one and the large one. Got it? The total marbles are bag of small marbles and plus the bag of large marbles. So you have, I think, 13 small bag and 13 small and 17 large. Yes, so it would be, that means the total bag of the marbles are 30. Got it? Okay, now in each bag you have 9 marbles. You have to calculate the total marbles in bags. So you have to, you know that in one marble, in one bag you have 9 marbles, so you have to do 30 times 9s. Got it? 30 times 9 is 270. That means the total marbles are 270 marbles. Got it? Select the correct option and then click on the. Okay, let me just check. 7 plus 13 is 17 large marbles and 13 bags of 12 marbles. There are 9 marbles in each bag. How each bag was 9 centimeter tall, and how many marbles did Nick buy in all? 13 is 13 plus 17 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. 17 plus 13 and in one bag 9. It is 270. Let me just confirm. It would be 17 plus 13 is, let me just use the calculator. There were 9 marbles in each. 17 large. Oh, sorry. 17 large marbles, not 17 bags of the large marbles. Got it? I thought it would be the bags. The total large marbles are, the large marbles are 17 and the small marbles are 13, and each bag 13 bags, and in one bag you have 9. Got it? So you have to do 13 times 9. Got it? Because you have the total large marbles are 17, but for the smaller one you have 13 bags, and in each bag you have 9. So that means the small marbles are 117. Got it? 117 small marbles. You have to calculate now the total value of the marbles. So add 17 and plus 117. Got it? So it would be then 134. So that means the total marbles are 134. So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is, yeah, it is 134. Okay, Brad bought dessert to the class picnic. Dessert to the class picnic. He brought 17 blueberry pies and 8 cherry pies. Each cherry pie has 17 slices. How many slices of pie did Brad bring to the picnic? Got it? Okay, a blueberry pie has 17 pieces. So each, that means you have the blueberry pies pieces are 17 times 17. 17 blueberries, blueberry pie, 17 blueberry pies, and for each blueberry pie he has 17 pieces. So that means the total blueberry pie pieces are, total blueberry pie pieces are 17 times 17. Got it? It would be 17 times 17. It would be 218. So that means the blueberry pie pieces are 218. Got it? And then you have a cherry pies, 8 cherry pies. You have to calculate 8 cherry pies. But you are not given with the pieces of the 8 cherry pies. Got it? You are given 8 cherry pies, but you are not given how many pieces are there in 8 cherry pies. Got it? Because here you have how many slices of pie did Brad bring to the picnic. So that means the given information is not enough. You are given with the pieces in the blueberry pie, but not you are not given how many pieces are there in the cherry pie. Got it? That means this is not enough information to solve this problem. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is there is not enough information to solve the problem. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is Matt wants to buy a jump rope that cost $8, a board game that cost $18, and a playground ball that cost $5. He has saved $9 from his allowance as his uncle gave him $13. How much more money does Matt need to buy the jump rope, the game, and the ball? Got it? Okay, first just calculate the total amount for the jump rope, the game, and the ball. Got it? So jump rope is for $8. Jump rope, $8 it is. Then uh board game, $18. And then a playground ball cost $5. So it would be 13 and 8, 9, 10, 11. It would be $31. That means the total amount he needed for these things is $31. Okay. Now the money he have saved $9 from his allowance and his uncle gave him the $13. That means he have 9 plus 13. The total amount he has is amount he already have is 13 plus 8. So 13 plus 8 is, sorry, it is 9. Okay, 13 and 9 is 22. Got it? That means the amount he needed more amount he needed is 31 minus 22. Got it? It would be 9. Got it? So the correct option is 9. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. The $9 more he needed. Got it, everyone? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is guess and check word problems. The next lesson is guess and check word problems. Okay, here is the next lesson, guess and check word problems. Let's start with the lesson. Okay, let's start with the test questions. Okay, at the calendar shop, wall calendars cost $9 and desk calendar cost $10. Janet spent 77 to buy 8 calendars. How many each type of calendar did Janet buy? Got it? Basically, you have to guess the answers. Got it? Okay, the total number of calendars it would be he need to buy 8 calendars. Got it? So it would be then the wall calendars cost $9 and the desk calendars cost $10. Got it? You are given with three of the options. Use any of the options. They are 3, 5, 4, 6, and 8, 9. Let's start with 3, 5 with the guesses 3, 5, 4, 6, and 8, 9. 8 and 9. Got it? Okay. The cost of the wall calendar is $9. A wall calendar is $9 and the table calendar is I think $10. Yes, $10. Okay, the total amount is $77 and he need to buy 8 calendars. Got it? Okay, first just look at the options. Which of the option make 8? 5 and 3 make 8. Got it? So let's start with the just check with this option. Okay, 3 calendars for the wall one, 3 times 9, and plus 5 calendars for the table one. So it would be 5 times 10. So 9 times 3 is 27 and 5 times 10 is 50. When you add them together, they make $77. Got it? That means this option is the correct one. He can buy $8, $3 for the wall calendar and $5 for the table one. And when you calculate the total value together, they makes the 77. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is the first option. Got it? Just select the correct option and move on to the next question. Okay, the next one is Kara found 6 roll of pink ribbon and green ribbons. Each roll of pink ribbon was 5 meter long and each of the green ribbon was 9 meter long. If Kara found 46 meters of ribbon in total, how many rolls for each color did she find? Got it? So you're given with the options 1, 2, 2, 4, and 4, 6. So the total ribbon he found is 46 meters. You have to check which option is the correct one. How many rules he used for each color. Got it? So he have to make 46 meters. The options are 1, 2, 2, 4. The options are 1, 2, 2, 4, and 4, 6. Okay. And the values are uh, pink ribbon is 5 meter long. Pink ribbon is 5 meter long. And then the second one, the other one is the green one is 9 meter long. 9 meter long. And the total ribbon is 46 meter. The total ribbon is 46 meter. Got it? You have to check out of 46 meters how many of the meter is pink one and how many of the meters is the green one. Got it? Okay, let's check with the first option. And the pink is 1, 5 times 1, and the green is 2, 9 times 2. Let's see if they make 46. 5 times 1 is 5, and 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23 meters. That means this isn't the correct option. Got it? Let's check for the second one. 5 times 2 and plus 9 times 4. 5 times 2 is 10, because the two, that means you have two pink rolls and each pink roll has the length 5. Got it? So the total length for the two is 10 meters. Got it? Same is the case for this one. You have 4 green rolls and each roll has the length 9 meters. So you have to calculate the total length. 9 times 4 is 36. And when you add them they together, they make 46 meters. That means you have 2 of the pink rolls and 4 of the green rolls, and together the length they make is 46 meters. Got it? So the second option is the correct one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? Got it? Okay, let me just move on to the next one. A plumber bought some pieces of copper and plastic pipe. Each pipe of copper pipe was 6 meter long, and each plastic of piece of plastic pipe was 8 meter long. He bought 4 pieces of pipe. The total length of the pipe was 30 meter. How many pieces of each type of pipe did the plumber buy? Got it? So the length of the copper pipe is 6 meter. The length of the copper one is 6 meter, and the length of the plastic pipe is 8 meter. Got it? So the total distance he have to make is 30 meters. That's the same we did, like we just did the question. Total length is 30 meter. Okay, just use the options given. The options are uh 1 1 1 2 1 3. Got it? Okay, it would be 1 1 1 2 1 3. Okay, let's start with the first one, 1 and 1. That means the one of it would be 6 times 1 and plus 8 times 1. I need to see if together they make 30. It would be 6 and plus 8. 6 plus 8 makes 14. That means this is at the correct option. Got it? Let's check for the second one. 6 times 1 plus 8 times 2. It would be 6 and 16. It makes 22. This isn't the correct option. Let's check for the third one. 6 times 1 and plus 8 times 3. 6 times 1 is 6 and 8 plus 8 times 3 is 24. And together they makes 30 meters. That means one of the plus copper wire, one of the copper wire and 3 of the plastic one, when used they make together the 30 meters. Got it? So the correct option is 30 meters. The first one, 3. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is distance direction to starting point. Distance direction to starting point. Let's start with the lesson. Here is the lesson, distance slash direction to the starting point. Okay, we don't have the lesson and the tutorial as well. Okay, so let's do the one we are doing right before this one. Guess and check word problems. Got it? Let's do the more practice questions from guess and check word problems. Got it? I have done 3 questions from the test. The correct answer for the first one is first option. I remember the answers. For the second one, it would be 46. So 6 times 2 5, it would be the second one. And for the third one we completed was the this one. Okay, let's do the fourth one. Got it? Okay, the next one is Jenna went on a quiz show. The questions in the first round worth 4 points. The question in the second round worth 1 point. Jenna answered a total of 9 questions and earned 21 points. How many questions did she answer in each round? Got it? So she answered a total of 9 questions. So which option makes 9? The first one. Got it? You can just check the values. 4 times 4 is 16. And the second one is 16 plus 5 is 20. Yes, it would be the first option. Okay, because he answered 9 questions. Got it? How many questions did she answer in each round? Because she answered total of 9 questions, so that out of the 3 options, just first one, when you add them, 5 plus 4 makes 9. That means in the first round she answered 4 questions, because 4 times 4 makes 16, and 5 times 1 makes 5, so 16 plus 5 makes 21. Got it? So the first option is the correct one. Okay, each cement block is 2 centimeter thicker and each clay blocks is 9 centimeter thick. Paul made a stack of 6 blocks that was 47 centimeter thick. How many of each type of block did Paul use? Okay, cement block is 2 centimeter thick. Cement block is 2 centimeter thick and clay block is 9 centimeter thick. Okay, so the Paul made a stack of 6 blocks that was 47 centimeter thick. Okay, 6 blocks, and how thick it is? 47 centimeter thick. So you are given 6 blocks. See which of the sum makes 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That means this is the correct option. Let's check how. Uh, 1 and 5. That means 1 for the cement block and 9 for the 5 for the clay blocks. Then the clay block has 9, has the length of 9. 9 times 2 times 1 is 2, and 9 times 5 is 45. So together they make 47. And the total thickness for the stack is 47 centimeter thick. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Read the question carefully. They are very easy. You can just guess the answers like I did. Got it? Okay, let's check this one. Michael served 8 tarts. Each pear tart had 9 slices and apple tart had 8 slices. If Michael served 68 pieces of the tart in total, how many of each type of tart did he served? So here is the first line. You can just understand. Michael served 8 tarts. Got it? The total tarts he served is 8. Got it? So which option makes 8? 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 makes 8. That means the correct option is 4 and 4, because the total tarts are 8. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, Monica made fudge brownies and peanut butter brownies. Each batch of fudge brownie makes 2 pans. Each batch of peanut butter brownies make 3 pans. Monica made 8 batches and ended up with 19 pans of brownies. How much batches of each type of brownies she make? So the total batch she made is 8. Which option sums to 8? Which is the correct option? Only 5 plus 3 makes 8. That means the total batches are 5 plus 3, because the rest of the batches makes 5 plus 5 makes 10 and 6, but the heat they already told 8 batches. So 5 plus 3 makes 8. So the correct option is 5 plus 3. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself. So we have covered today three of the lessons actually, because you're not given with that tutorial and the lesson for the fourth topic. Got it? That is the estimate this to solve the word problems. Then we did word problems with multiple steps, and then we did guess and check word problems. For the fourth topic, you don't have any lesson or either the test questions. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. If you need more help with any of the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Thank you for your participation. That's all for today. See you guys in the next next topic, next session. Bye everyone.